up, everybody? It's your girl Sneaker Mom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today we're going to be reviewing the new Nike LDWaffle Sacai Undercover. Let's get into it. First, you got your same Nike Sacai box. They always come with the orange box. You got your little Nike check on the side right there. Sizing, size 6.5. And it reads Night Maroon and Team Royal. Alright, box. I'm gonna come with the black tissue paper that says Undercover June Takashi. Let's see that. Wrap real good. Cover out the paper. Alright, let's see what this says. Alright, here we go. Nike Sacai Undercover Night Maroon. Alright, let's start out with this nice colorway we have here. We got a nice dark maroon nylon toe box. You got your gray, it's like a suede, a hairy suede, because it's kind of got that hairy material, if you can see that. Nice hairy suede material right there. You got your black leather going around the toe box. You got your double Nike sign with the gray suede, suede, hairy suede check. And then you got your royal blue Nike check. You got your white sail going all the way around the shoe. You got your two shoestrings. You got your royal blue and your sail white shoestrings. They also come with the double tongue as normal Sacai's do. You got one that's the night maroon, and then the other one is black with the royal blue Nike on the tongue. You got your royal blue on the inside. It says Nike Sacai going around the ankle. Turn around to the back. We got your black leather in the back going around the back of the shoe with your Nike Sacai on the back. And also on the bottom of the little extra tone right there, it says Nike Sacai Undercover. This is a very nice colorway. First, I thought that the black and citron was the best colorway, but after I got these in hand, I'm going with these for the best colorway. These are so, I don't know, it's just something about this color. It's not even that it's easy to match. It's just that all these colors actually do flow well together. And when I first saw the pictures of them, I was like, nah, they could have did better than that. But now that I got them in hand, these are nice. It also has this gray leather going around the shoe where the shoestrings are, which is also a nice touch. It came with 2 extra shoelaces. You got your black ribbon shoelaces. They got an orange, not an orange, they have a gold tip on it. Let me take those out so you can see it. I feel like they would be different. It's different, very different. But I think this will actually bring them out too if you switched out the shoestrings and put these in there. And then you got your gray wax shoestrings that also come with it, which is a nice touch. I probably would leave in the ones that they have in here because they actually just make the shoe look perfect. But if I did switch them out, I would go with these ribbon laces because it's just different. And I like being different. But this was one of the 3 colorways that came out of the Nike Sacai Undercover collab. The 3 colorways that came out on October 29th. It was this color, and I got the citron ones. Pull those out, which was also a nice colorway. These are like second best. I can't even say second best now. Now that I'm looking at them both together, both of them are just 2 nice shoes, and they actually did good on both of these colorways. So I can't complain with that. But yeah, the Undercover and Sacai, this collaboration was a very good one. At first, when I first saw the 3 of them, I was like, nah, I'm not gonna go for none of them. But when they came out, I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and try and get them. And I was able to get these 2 pairs. They came out October 29th. They retailed for $170. And yeah, that's about it about this shoe. I would say I'm gonna put an on feet on to show how they look on foot. But outfit wise, when I wear these, I could also, like when I wore these, I throw on a black jogger outfit, and that'll be perfect with it. Or you can throw on some nice jeans and a nice maroon hoodie or sweater, or even a royal blue sweater or hoodie. That'd be nice to make these look very nice. So this was a nice shoe, and that's gonna be my review on these right here. And I also like to say thank y'all. I hit 100. I know most people celebrate when they like way up there, get like the 10,000, 100K. Hey, I'm celebrating my 100. I mean, I just jumped into this not knowing what it was, trying to review shoes, and I actually have 100 people to follow me. So hey, thank y'all. I hope I get more followers and continue to ride with me as I continue to review these shoes and show you all this different sneaker content. And let me know if there's anything else you want to see. But if not, you know, that's cool too. Just like, subscribe, and continue to follow these reviews on with me. But hey, until the next time, it's your girl, Sneaker Mom. Peace.